Well, welcome to the video. Welcome to the video, grid listing family and subscribers. Welcome to the video. Hey, folks, we're going to talk about grid listings, and I want if you're a grid listings member, take special notes in this video. I'm not going to be real long, but we have an incredible, exciting opportunity here before us. And I'm going to show you how you can begin to explode your grid listings business. And you want to get this done today if you can. It's important to get a hold of this flyer that we've got. It is awesome. So I want to share this with you. If you want to grow your team, your downline, and your grid listings business, stay tuned on this video. I'm going to show you what we have available. We'll talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. I'm incognito today. But hey, great things are still happening. Hey, before we get started, go to like the video, hit the like button, and tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Are you subscribed to the channel? Folks, I would love to see 8,000 subscribers here, hopefully before Christmas. We'll see what happens. But guys, grid listings is absolutely just rocking and rolling. We're excited. It's an advertising platform. I'm going to show you a video of the comp plan. But before I deep dive in grid listings, folks, I always tell you that this channel is about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. Folks, I believe in big ticket on the front side and smaller ticket, residual income programs on the back side. That is the secret to success, folks. If you ever want to work at home, create you some cash flow on the front side to where you get one sale in some of these businesses here. You are getting able to pay for your marketing budget for the whole month. I mean, one sale, or $500 or $1,500 to take care of all of your back end marketing. And it's just a smart thing to do. Some of you have asked about the big ticket program, the $500 program. Folks, I got a video of it here. You can look at it right here. That $500 program is a big ticket opportunity. It is absolutely rocking. And I'm going to advertise it on grid listings also, but that thing is incredible. $500 payments. You send $100 to the admin along with the person's name, and the people will receive their product, their marketing kit. This is what that flyer looks like. Let me show you the $500 flyer. Folks, it's a one-page flyer, and it's converting like it's nobody's business. When people receive this flyer in the mail, they will join, and they will send $500 to your address. You can take it through Zelle, Cash App, cashier's check, money order. You keep $400 on every order, and you send $100 to the admin. The admin will send the product package to the person who ordered it. So if you want this system, folks, go to that video, and you can mail them the payment, and I'll get you started. If you want to go through Cash App, we can get you going today. If you're watching that video, I can get a copy of it emailed over to you. Folks, this thing is all over Shore to Shore and Home Business Advertiser. People are advertising the 500 cash programs. It's an incredible program. But I got a whole video on it, and I'm not going to go into it because in this video, let's go back to the grid listing program. What I am so fired up is about the way we're going to promote grid listings. Get excited, team, and get fired up. Attention grid listing members, grow. I'm gonna put your team. I'm gonna grow your team with this awesome. It is awesome. I meant to put your, but I've got another thumbnail. I'll make it right. That should be grow your team. This is awesome. So we're excited about that. He did fix that for me. Here it is. Oh, let me go here. He did fix it. Okay, attention grid listings member, grow your team with this. It is awesome. So very excited about that. This is what we're going to grow our team with, guys and gals. Look at this. Let me close out this here. This right here, Greg Buffet, our team leader down in Florida, has created us an incredible cover letter. I could not be more excited about it. Let's look at this cover letter. It has psychological triggers, as Jose Green would talk about all the time. And this right here, what we have is a 100% duplicatable system. If you want success in your team, and if you want to create massive duplication, you find a system that is absolutely 100% duplicatable, that anybody can plug in and do it. And folks, we have it. If you can mail this one-page flyer, you can win. And you can even customize it to you. Now, on the back side will be the actual flyer that talks about the business. We're going to go over there in a minute, and we're going to look at that. Grid Listings is incredible. For those of y'all that were on the Zoom call, Zoom calls are on every Wednesday night. I'll show you how to get there. Put a link below the video, gridlistingsdirectmailflyer.com, www.gridlistingsdirectmailflyer.com, link below the video. You can get on every Zoom at 7 p.m. every Wednesday. It says, wow, even though I had just signed up a few weeks ago and took a screenshot of my sponsor's back office. Folks, this is the first week of commissions earned. Commissions are paid by the company every Friday. The first week of our sponsor's back office, $2,100. Folks, not only will we continue to accumulate this weekly commission, it will continue to grow. Because when people sign up that first month, the second month, they're going to be rebills all throughout the week. Because when somebody come in on the first, second, third, fourth, well, in the next month, when it rebills on the first, second, third, fourth, sixth, whatever, it's going to snowball effect of the recurring commissions. Folks, this is exciting. And the product here is advertising. We're going to roll the video in just a minute. I want to show you the matrix pay. I want to show you what is possible with grid listings. And even on the Zoom call, Jamie talked about us having a Craigslist type platform here in the next few months. You know, if you want lawn care, Google lawn care. You want a lawyer in a certain area, go there and Google a lawyer, Raleigh, North Carolina, Orangeburg, South Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina. You need a lawyer in Albany, Georgia. You need a lawyer in Nebraska. You can go and find. Folks, we're going to have some great things coming. And you can advertise your business. Why work for years on a job when this kind of income could easily be made from the comfort of your home? Turn the flyer over. Learn how the simple business opportunity could financially change both our lives. A disclaimer, there are no guarantees. There's no income guarantees. We cannot make any guarantees or ability to get results about your ability to get results or earn money with our business. Your personal results are fully dependent upon your own efforts. And it talks about our Zoom meeting. www.gridlistingszoom.com can get you to the Zoom call. Now, if you have questions, folks, here's my information. You can get a hold of me. Now, here is it tells us now when you mail this, is going to be a one sheet into the envelope. One sheet. The back side of it says turn this flyer over. Let me show you what's on the back side. Here it is. Here's the gridlistingsdirectmailflyer.com. That's a long one. But when you go there, the link below the video, click download the flyer. Everybody's going to have access to this. Here it is, folks. Your cover letter that you're mailing. When people get them in the mail, they're going to see it. See, folks, this is edible. You're gonna edit this, and then you're going to save it to your desktop. And then when you save it, folks, you can print it off. You can go to Staples, Office, Home Depot. You can go over to Best Value Copy and have copies made. Just upload them, and you'll be off to the races with the flyer. And then you can edit, put your name and your contact information, your phone number, email address, whatever. Here's the back side. Remember, on the front side, it tells them turn this flyer over. Okay, here's the side. It's going to be the business presentation, talking about grid listings, worldwide business opportunity. $115 to get started, $65 per month product purchase, only a 3x4 force matrix, 25 one-time bonus paid to all personally sponsored team members. You bring somebody in this week, you're going to get paid $25 the following week. And then you're going to get $10 per month paid on all personally sponsored team members. Folks, that is incredible. A game changer. 100% check match on all bonus paid on all affiliate team members in your 3x4 matrix. Yes, you heard that correctly. Example, if you had only 30 affiliates, team members, anywhere in your 3x4 force matrix, earning $200 a month, your commissions would match up to $6,000. per month. Now, folks, here is going to be your domain name. This is edible. Whatever your domain name for grid listings is, you put it here, and you're off to the races. Very excited, folks. We've got a capture page available for you. It goes to our email autoresponder, and we're finalizing that email autoresponder. That if people see your opportunity the first time and they don't join, they got a couple times that it may drip on them. Here it is, www.gridlistingsdirectmailflyer.com. Again, we'll take you to the Zoom call. It will take you to the cover letter and a copy of the letter. Genius the way Greg has put this together. I could not be more excited. Friends, Grid Listings is going to be a home-based business that we can count on. We can build this thing out to 10 grand per month. And all you got to do is see the vision and stick and stay and mail these flyers. It is a proven flyer. Greg's going to put together a bonus mailing for us. We're going to see what that is detailed, and we'll go and talk about it at a later date. But we have something wonderful here. I do want to go quickly. Let me see if I can find it. I would like to go quickly over. Hang on. I would like to go quickly and let's look at the presentation together. It gives us about 5 minutes to look at this presentation, folks. Grid Listings is an awesome opportunity. Let's get fired up. 4 minutes, guys. Let's look at this video, and then I'll give you my commentation. We'll close the video out on the other side.
Advertising marketing industry is estimated at $766 billion and is expected to hit $1 trillion by the next year. What if you had the opportunity to cash in on this multi-billion-dollar industry? Let me introduce you to our company called GridListing.com. GridListing.com is an online advertising company that hosts ads for various categories, such as items for sale, services, or business opportunities. Advertisers can showcase their items or businesses, and viewers can browse and respond. As an advertiser, you can also sign up as a Grid Listing affiliate and get paid to sell advertising and or share the opportunity with others. Now let's talk money. The cost to advertise is just $115 to start. This includes your $50 setup fee and your first month's ad spend. With this, you'll have access to free tools to share the opportunity with others, if you decide to do so. The tools include a free lead capture page, a free autoresponder, a free list builder. Once you become a Grid Listing affiliate, you'll instantly have a personalized company website that is fully functional with a back office. You'll be able to market to other potential Grid Listing affiliates and build a team using our 3x4 force grid matrix. How our grid matrix works. As a Grid Listing affiliate, you can only have 3 affiliates on your front line. If you personally enroll more than 3 affiliates to your team, they will be considered spillover and will be placed in the next available position within your group under the person who doesn't have their first 3 affiliates yet. This is true team building and a very powerful concept. As a Grid Listing affiliate, you can get paid 4 ways. 1. Earn $25 for every ad you sell or personal affiliate you enroll. 2. Earn $10 monthly for your recurring customers and personally enrolled affiliates. 3. Earn $2 for every customer and affiliate in your 3x4 grid matrix. The 4th way is a 100% check matching bonus. This is unheard of and the best part of this compensation plan. This check matching bonus is on every affiliate in your 3x4 matrix. Yes, you heard correctly, on every single affiliate, whether you personally enrolled them or not. You will earn the check match from their personal matrix earnings. How does this work? Personally enroll 1 customer or affiliate. You'll earn $2 for every person in your 3x4 matrix. Personally enroll 1 more and earn a 100% check matching bonus for everyone on your first level. 1 more for level 2, 1 more for level 3, and when you've personally enrolled 5 people, you now have unlocked the 100% check matching bonus for level 4. At this point, you're earning a 100% check matching bonus from the matrix earnings of every single affiliate in your team. We'll have marketing tools available to help everyone personally enroll the 5 customers or affiliates needed to maintain these qualifications. Now, what we're about to show you is an illustration of a potential monthly income that you could receive. There are no income guarantees through this illustration, and your personal results will be fully dependent upon your own efforts and the efforts of your group. This illustration chart represents our grid listing 3x4 forced matrix, and each level paying $2 in commission per grid listing affiliate. If you have 30 grid listing affiliates in your 3x4 matrix, and they are each earning just $200 per month in matrix commission, your check matching bonus would total $6,000 per month. If you have 80 grid listing affiliates in your 3x4 matrix, and they each are earning just $200 per month in matrix commission. Your check matching bonus would total $16,000 per month. You get the picture. By the way, did I mention we pay weekly? Yes, weekly. All commission earned will be paid out through the option of your bank direct deposit or our branded Visa debit card. Are you now starting to see how powerful and financially rewarding the grid listing business opportunity is? Now that you understand how the grid listing compensation pay plan pays, you're probably wondering and thinking, how am I going to introduce others to the business opportunity? Simple. Just share this video presentation with others. We have implemented a turnkey marketing system to help you drive traffic to your grid listing affiliate webpage to hundreds or even thousands of people to watch this exact same video presentation that you're watching right now. Once your prospects have finished watching the video presentation and see how simple the business opportunity is, and also see how simple it will be to earn life-changing income each month from home, they'll be ready to join you as a grid listing affiliate member. You'll never have to personally sell anything or explain the business opportunity to anyone. Just drive traffic to your webpage and let our video presentation do all the selling and explaining for you. It just doesn't get any easier than this. So, if you're unhappy with your present financial situation and are looking for more, then consider the grid listing business opportunity. We believe there is no other business opportunity that can offer as much potential for wealth, personal growth, security, and freedom of time with so little risk. Click the link to learn how you can lock in a top position by signing up as a grid listing affiliate member today. You've been given the business opportunity that could financially change your life and the life of your family for the good. But only you must decide right now whether or not to take advantage of it.
Folks, gridlistings.com is going to be an incredible, it's going to be an incredible household name. You click the link below to get started. There is a link and get your flyer, ordered and start mailing today, folks. And that's how we're drawing in new business partners. And we'll see you on the call on Wednesdays. Hey, folks, if you need to get a hold of me, my information is below the video, and we'll go from there. Bye for now until the next video, and I'll see you on the next Zoom call. Great things are happening.